Oh, you're doing great. Boom.
The 4th annual Jason Explains Things Christmas Special. Ho, 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 ho.
Kids, do you like sledding in mud?
No.
No?
Gross.
Come on, man.
Blech.
Hey everybody, we're up for a Christmas tree hunt sledding adventure, and we have no snow, but we have sludge. We have my family, we got my wife Amy, we got my kids Marley and Ripley, and Chris's son Connor. Behind us we got Chris in the Colorado along with his daughters, Caitlin, Cassie, and Colleen.
So exciting to be up the mountain.
Chris, there's snow, sort of.
Yeah, we'll just tie the sleds behind the cars.
I have rope, so.
I mean, I definitely did it as a kid.
I definitely did too, being pulled behind a 2-wheel drive Ford Ranger.
Uncle Jason's in front of us.
Aw, hello. We got a lake, we got a frozen lake.
Can I skate on?
Oh, I don't think it's quite that frozen yet.
Okay, kids, what's your favorite Christmas song?
Nothing.
Mine's Oh Holy Night. Oh Holy Night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world till he appeared, and something happened for sure. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. All on your knees, hear the angel voices.
What? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
I don't know what to say to that. Do you know what to say to that? I have no words.
All right, you guys ready for some hardcore off-roading in the snow? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, boy! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, it's getting muddy, guys.
Oh, it's through a stream.
So extreme!
Two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive! Nice! Yeah. Hey, nicely done! Yeah! Nicely done, Spitz. Whoa, very good! And a little rub in the back. It's all good. Nice! Oh! You almost scraped your chin. Almost. Hold up, hold up. I think that's good. Beautiful! It's not fair you got to do all the obstacles. That's not true. Wrong. Wrong. Well, it's 2:20, so it's getting dark. So we better go look for a tree while Amy watches my amazing fire that I made with sticks and nothing else.
Contain half
No,
a quart of
not
firewood.
not half. No. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I see some. I see some over there. We got this is promising.
Oh, this one. This one's gonna be a great one, Uncle Jason.
Someday, what you got to do, Connor, is put your name on it and come get it in a year or two.
Really?
Yeah.
You can.
Not really. No, you can't.
Lick it so people know it's yours.
Ew.
There's a little bit of pressure because Amy's back with the fire. I am picking the tree this year by myself, so either I'm gonna get a I love it, or I'm gonna get a your face.
On my head.
I think my chainsaw blade is toast. There we go. Timber.
I have brought a tree back of some sort. Don't hold it down too low, it'll catch on fire.
You want Daddy to do it for you?
Merry Christmas! Woo! Marley.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Well, we are having an awesome time, but the sun is going down very quickly, so we need to pack it up, and we're going to reconvene for some pizza and beverages. This is Connor. Connor is cheesier than I am. Camouflage rope. We need more water than this. There. That one's for all the commenters who said that's not good enough. Katie, let's fist bump, and then when we're back, we're at the pizza place. Fist bump.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
And fist bump. Woo!
Me too.
Boom. And cheers. Cheers, 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 cheers. Ripley, how many pizza pieces you gonna eat? 2, 3? Okay. You gotta share though, okay? You gotta share with all those other kids, okay? Okay, all right. Yeah. Oh, Marley, not that. Not all of it.
No. I don't think they have it.
Thank you, sir. Hey, Merry Christmas! 10,003 miles. Aw, Forerunner, good job. Sweaters. Well, everyone, it's been a weird but wonderful year. Lots of fun projects and adventures here on the channel. And I was able to make more videos this year than any year before, which is really, really cool. And while views and such are down a little bit, what really matters to me is making uplifting content and involving my family and friends in everything I'm doing. So, to everyone that watches this, from my family to yours, God bless and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you again real soon. Peace on earth.